Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you don't bake the cake batter right away, it may not rise as much because you'll really only get the second reaction from the baking powder. You may still get rise with it, but it may not rise quite as high.
Take our lead.
You shouldn't leave cake batter out at room temperature for any longer than an hour. Cake batter that contains ingredients that spoil quickly, such as eggs, milk, or buttermilk, will be at risk of going bad. If you are to store your batter for a while, make sure to store it covered in the refrigerator.
Let's help you make your mark.
Store cake batter in the refrigerator. Cake batter can last for approximately 2 days, depending on the expiry of milk and eggs. For this reason, ensure to keep the batter covered with plastic wrap or aluminum foil to prevent any contamination.
Take our lead.
When a cake is freshly baked, it needs time to set. Keep the cake in its pan and let it cool on a rack for the time the recipe specifies, usually 15 to 20 minutes, before attempting to remove it. Try not to let it cool completely before removing it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.